Number 1, meet the Wacom Cintiq 22 drawing tablet, made for artists, students, and professionals who value precision and comfort. It features a 21.5-inch Full HD anti-glare display with vibrant, true-to-life colors and uniform brightness for a natural, paper-like drawing experience. The Wacom Pro Pen 2 offers 8192 levels of pressure, tilt recognition, and lag-free tracking, powered by EMR technology, no batteries or charging required. Designed for comfort, it includes foldable legs, a lightweight 4-pound build, and hand rests to reduce fatigue during long sessions. With a scratch-resistant surface and reduced parallax, every stroke appears exactly where you intend. The box includes the Cintiq 22, Pro Pen 2, 3 nibs, nib remover, 3-in-1 cable, power adapter, and quick start guide ready to use out of the box. The Wacom Cintiq 22, where creativity meets precision. At number 2, meet the HUION KAMVAS Pro 16, a 15.6-inch pen display built to bring your creativity to life with precision and comfort. Its full laminated anti-glare glass screen delivers a smooth, paper-like texture and exceptional color accuracy, 120% sRGB and 92% Adobe RGB for vivid, lifelike visuals with sharp contrast. With 6 customizable express keys and a touch bar, you can easily adjust brush sizes, zoom, or access shortcuts for a smoother workflow. The ST200 adjustable stand tilts from 20 to 60 degrees, giving you ergonomic comfort for long sessions. The battery-free pen supports 60-degree tilt, lag-free tracking, and includes 2 programmable buttons for quick control. A 3-in-1 USB-C cable combines power, data, and HDMI into one streamlined connection. Compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux, the KAMVAS Pro 16 integrates perfectly with tools like Photoshop and Clip Studio Paint. The HUION KAMVAS Pro 16, where precision meets inspiration. At number 3, the Wacom Intuos Pro Medium, a professional Bluetooth drawing tablet built for artists, designers, and photographers who demand precision and control. It features the Wacom Pro Pen 2, offering 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and plus high 60-degree tilt recognition, delivering a natural pen-on-paper feel with virtually zero lag. The tablet's sleek, compact design includes 8 customizable express keys, a touch ring, pen side switches, and multi-touch gestures, letting you create personalized shortcuts for faster, smoother workflows. With a 5080 LPI resolution and wireless Bluetooth or USB connectivity, it's ideal for digital drawing, illustration, and image editing on both Mac and Windows. Registering your device unlocks 3 months of Capture One software and 3 months, 250 GB of MASV file transfer. The Wacom Intuos Pro Medium precision, performance, and comfort in one powerful creative tool. At number 4, the Frunsi T8, an 8-inch standalone drawing tablet built for creators who want to sketch, draw, or design anytime, anywhere, no computer required. Powered by an MTK octa-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage, expandable up to 256 GB, it runs Android 13 and supports popular creative apps like Sketchbook, Artflow, and IBIS Paint X with tutorials pre-installed for beginners. The 8-inch Liquid Retina display delivers crisp visuals at 1200x800 resolution, while the pressure-sensitive stylus provides smooth, precise control for a natural, paper-like feel. With a 4,000 mAh battery offering up to 5 hours of continuous use and certifications including GMS, FCC, UKCA, and CE, the Frunsi T8 is safe, reliable, and ready for any project. The Frunsi T8 compact, powerful, and perfect for digital artists on the go. At number 5, the XP Pen Deco 03 drawing tablet, a sleek and spacious tablet built for artists who want precision, comfort, and control. It features a 10x 5.62-inch textured surface that feels like real paper, giving you a smooth and natural drawing experience. The multifunction red dial lets you easily scroll, zoom, rotate, or adjust brush sizes, while 6 customizable express keys streamline your workflow. The battery-free stylus delivers 81 and 92 levels of pressure sensitivity with a comfortable, ergonomic grip for accurate and effortless drawing. You can also fine-tune pen pressure and customize shortcuts using the included driver software. Compatible with Windows, macOS, and Chrome OS, and supporting major creative software like Photoshop, Illustrator, SAI, and Clip Studio, the XP Pen Deco 03 is perfect for both right and left-handed artists seeking professional performance and creative freedom.